If you are anything like me, you are probably tired of spending hours in the edit bay just trying to push out content. I used to waste so much time chopping out silence, hunting for those golden moments, and then manually scheduling posts. Everything changed when I found a tool that effectively automated the entire workflow from raw footage to posted clips. It has been saving me a ton of time for over a year, and I am dropping the link in the description so you can try it yourself. To understand why this is special, look at other tools that only solve one problem, like silence removers. Those apps are great for a tighter raw take, but they cannot find punchy moments, assemble social clips, or post them for you. That is exactly where this tool is different, because it is built to take long-form videos and turn them into ready-to-post short content. Think of it as a comprehensive shortcut that bridges the gap between your raw recordings and your final published clips. The platform has 3 killer features I rely on every single week to stay consistent. First, it uses AI to analyze your long footage and automatically generate the most shareable, viral-style clips. Second, it has an auto-schedule function that queues up all your content to post exactly when you want. Third, the content calendar dashboard lets you manage, tweak, and publish everything from one single place. I do not want to just read a list of features, so let me show you how this fits into a real production workflow. Step 1 is simple. Click the link in the description to grab the free trial and start testing it immediately. The trial lets you upload your own videos and create exports so you can test the AI editing without any risk. I highly recommend trying this on a long-form video you already have, like a podcast episode or a vlog. When you open the interface, you will see it is clean, chill, and definitely not cluttered with unnecessary buttons. You simply drag and drop your files, then select the output format, such as TikTok or YouTube Shorts. The auto-edit settings are where the real magic happens, allowing you to choose how aggressive the AI should be. If you are pressed for time, just set it to smart mode and let the engine pick the best moments for you. The AI does more than just cut silence. It analyzes speech energy and viewer retention signals to find the best parts. It identifies moments that are likely to perform well, like pauses followed by strong one-liners or audience reactions. This is the major difference between a basic silence remover and a tool that builds viral-ready content. Once the clips are generated, you can preview them directly in the dashboard to make quick adjustments. It often creates a few variations, giving you different trims or aspect ratios to choose from for your posts. You can quickly tweak subtitles, add your own touches, and prepare the content for the final publishing stage. Scheduling is incredibly simple, as the tool asks you for your preferred time windows and target platforms. Set it once, forget it, and let the software space out your content for maximum reach. The content calendar is where you see everything laid out, from queued posts to already published videos. If you work with a team, you can even assign clips to teammates for review right inside the platform. This end-to-end pipeline is exactly what other single-feature tools are missing. Regarding integration, it plays very nicely with your existing editing workflow, even if you still use Premiere or DaVinci. You can export in various formats or even generate files that are ready to drop into those advanced editors. I usually let the AI do the heavy lifting and only jump into my primary editor for a few final color tweaks. Let's be real about the value, because some tools are cheap but essentially useless for scaling output. This platform sits in the sweet spot where it is powerful enough to be worth the cost, but simple enough to save hours. If you are a creator or a small team trying to scale, the time you save essentially pays for the subscription. To compare, silence removers handle dead air, but they do not mine your footage for those viral, high-value moments. Social schedulers manage your calendar, but they cannot create the content from your raw, long-form footage. This tool bundles everything into one place, giving you the best clips and a real publishing schedule. Here is how I use it in a typical week to stay ahead of my content schedule. I record a 20 to 60 minute session, upload it, and let the AI analyze while I prep other things. By the time I finish my long-form edit, my short clips are already queued and ready to publish autonomously. This whole process effectively shaves days of manual, repetitive work off my schedule every single month. My first tip for you is to use clear audio, because the AI really shines when the source sound is clean. Secondly, try to tag moments while you record, using gestures or keywords to help the AI find the high-value stuff. Third, always use the preview to pick the best variations, especially when the AI offers different endings. To wrap this up, if consistent posting is your pain point, this tool is one of the few that actually makes a dent. It is not a magic wand, but it takes the boring parts off your plate so you can focus on creativity. The link is below, so try the free trial, upload a video, and see how many good moments we're hiding in plain sight. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time when I break down more specific tricks for better AI editing.